In this video, we are going to see about the phased lifecycle model. Phased lifecycle model contains 5 phases: analysis phase, design phase, implementation phase, system testing and maintenance. Sometimes it was called as waterfall model. Phased First, we are going to see about the analysis phase. During this phase, all the relevant information should be collected from the customer to develop product as their expectation. We have to create the SRS document, software requirement specification, and it should be reviewed by the customer for the future reference. After analysis phase, we go for the design phase. In this phase, the requirement gathered in the SRS document is used as an input and software architecture that is used for implementing system development is derived. After the design phase, we go for the implementation phase. Implementation starts once the developer gets the design document, and in this phase only the software design is translated into source code. All the components of the softwares are implemented in this phase. After implementation, we are going to test the product. That was testing phase. Testing starts once the coding is fully completed and the module is released for testing. In this phase, the developed software is tested thoroughly and any defects found are assigned to the developers to get them fixed. The last phase of the phased lifecycle model is the maintenance phase. In this phase, we are going to maintain the product that we are developed. If any issues comes up and it needs to be fixed or any enhancement is to be done, is taken care by the developers. The last phase. Thank you for watching this video.